friends, welcome to Jyotishi.com. Today we'll talk about the famous Kukke Subramanya temple of Karnataka. Lord Kartikeya or Subramanya is also known as the god of wars and the victory commander of the gods. Kukke Subramanya temple is located in Kadapa Taluk in Dakshina Kannada district of Karnataka. It lies in the beautiful slopes of the Western Ghats, and in the middle of the thick evergreen forest lies the shrine of Kukke Subramanya. This temple is one among the 7 holy places created by Parashurama. Kumara Parvata looks gorgeous in the backdrop to the temple entrance, and Shesha Parvata looks exactly like a cobra protecting the temple shrine of Subramanya. Shesha Parvata meaning a mountain shaped like a 6-headed serpent. In this temple, Kartikeya is worshipped as Subramanya, lord of all serpents. The epics relate that the divine serpent Vasuki and other serpents found refuge under Subramanya when threatened by the Garuda. Overlooking the temple is the famous mountain of Kumara Parvata. The story behind the Kumara Parvata is, after killing the demon rulers Taraka, Shura Padmasura and their followers in a war, Lord Kartikeya reached Kumara Parvata with his brother Ganesha. He was received by Indra and his followers. Indra, being very happy, prayed to Lord Kumaraswamy to accept and marry his daughter Devasena, for which the Lord readily agreed. The divine marriage took place at Kumara Parvata. There is also one more belief that when the great Shiva Bhakta Vasuki was doing tapas in the Bilatvara caves to avoid attack from Garuda, Shiva asked Subramanya to bless Vasuki. Thereby, Subramanya appeared in front of Vasuki and asked him to stay as his Parama Bhakta in this place forever. The devotees believe that the holy bath in the Kumaradhara Tirtha and Madisnana eradicates diseases like leprosy and also diseases related to skin. Ashlesha Bali is one of the important Kalsarpa Dosha ceremonies performed at Kukke Subramanya temple. Lord Subramanya is known as the protector from Kalsarpa Dosha and Kuja Dosha. Thereby, this temple is regarded as the most popular for Sarpa Dosha. Due to the widespread belief in the snake god in the region of Karnataka and Kerala, this puja is performed by people of all faiths. Hope you enjoy the Kukke Subramanya temple journey. Stay safe, stay tuned for more such videos on various temples of India. Thank you.